Whether you notice some slight dampness or a pool of water in your basement, water intrusion is one of the most stressful and concerning problems a home can face. In this video, we'll cover common causes of a wet basement, some tips on what homeowners can do on their own, and the resolutions a certified basement contractor like Advanced Basement Solutions can provide. Water and high humidity levels in your basement can destroy the items in your home, hurt your property's value, and cause unsightly cosmetic damage. Water pressure and prolonged oversaturation around the foundation can also cause structural issues like cracking, bowing, shifting, and sinking foundations. Health concerns are often associated with moisture in a basement. Mold and mildew can begin to grow, which may cause health issues, aggravate allergies, and develop unpleasant musty smells. Moisture may attract unwanted pests and insects that can bring their own health and property damage problems. Water can enter a basement through a variety of means. You don't necessarily have to have a crack or gap to experience water intrusion. Most foundations are made up of porous concrete that allows water to navigate through the floors and walls. The best way to ensure a healthy, dry basement is to capture and redirect water as it enters the foundation or before it even reaches the home. Damaged or improperly installed waterproofing systems can also contribute to your moisture problem. There are some easy to identify issues that can exacerbate a wet basement, which every homeowner should learn. Overflowing gutters and downspouts are a common reason that water collects near the house. It's a good idea to make sure your gutters and downspouts are kept clear of debris and are not overloaded during precipitation. Downspouts should also extend at least 10 feet away from the house and dispense water in a direction that doesn't find its way back to the foundation. The ground around the home also plays a role in water getting into your basement. Check that the ground is sloping away from the house for at least 6 feet at a rate of 1 inch per foot or more. The ground should also be kept clear of leaves and branches that can collect and keep water near the home. At Advanced Basement Solutions, we use multiple methods to tackle a waterproofing issue, but the theme is always the same: get water away from the house as quickly and efficiently as possible. On the outside of the home, we use external drainage systems that act as underground water traps. These systems collect and redirect water a safe distance away from a home and helps prevent pooling in the yard. When installing a drain system, Advanced Basement Solutions uses sediment-free gravel around crush-resistant drain pipes so water can still flow easily through the system. We also address clogged storm drain issues. Advanced Basement Solutions is located in the Pittsburgh area, where many older homes have terracotta drain pipes that often become clogged and collapsed. We replace these lines with more reliable, updated materials. Advanced Basement Solutions installs a similar drainage system on the inside of the basement, which collects water as it enters the foundation. This drain system is installed under the basement floor, alongside the footer, and redirects the water into the sump pump. The sump pump then dispenses the water out and away from the house through exterior drainage lines. For extra peace of mind, we recommend equipping your sump pump with a battery backup to ensure your interior drainage system works even if the power goes out. A dehumidifier system is another important piece of waterproofing equipment. When there is too much moisture in the air and inside the foundation, mold, mildew, and air quality can begin to develop. Advanced Basement Solutions installs high-efficiency dehumidifiers to pull moisture out of the air, walls, and floor. Advanced Basement Solutions is a certified basement contractor, providing professional, expert services to resolve most foundation and basement waterproofing problems. For a complete overview of our services, visit advancedbasement.com.